How to use Zalando promo code. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. Open up a preferred web browser on your PC or on your mobile device. In here you have to search for Zalando promo code. So go ahead and do that. You will find various of websites dealing with the promo code and offers. You can select any of the website that you prefer. For an example, I've selected this one to be particular. You will find various of deals and offers that you can select from. In some of the website, you can also enter email address and tap on subscribe to never miss out an offer or coupon from the Zalando webpage. Then just tap on deal or view coupon. If no coupon is needed, just tap on go to store. If there is a coupon, tap on copy, or to use it for instance, tap on redeem at Zalando. Either way, you will be landing in the official web page of Zalando. So first step, you have to go ahead and sign up or sign in to your account of Zalando. If you do not have one, make sure to create one. Now all you have to do is shop a little on Zalando. Here I have selected this knitted shirt. Now select a size, then tap on add to bag. Then tap on the checkout bubble. Then tap on the bag option and again tap on checkout. In here you will find your payment summary. Then tap on add a promo code. Paste the promo code, then tap on apply. Once you do this, you will see some of the discount on your total. Now all you have to do is pay for your purchase, then tap on checkout. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.